everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create professional mockups super easily using AI, and it's all with Google Gemini's Nano. It's no Photoshops, no complicated editing, just upload, type a prompt and your mockup is ready. So let's get started. First, just open your Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and then next just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're inside, just tap on create image, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the latest AI tool that will let you edit or transform images instantly with just a prompt. It's super powerful and super simple. Next, just upload an image. Just choose your product photo. This can be anything like maybe a painting, a mug, a bottle, t-shirt, skincare products, or whatever that you're selling or you're showcasing. And then to upload it, just tap on plus button and then gallery, and then just choose your product photo like this. And in this tutorial I will use an abstract painting like this. And then next it's time to write the prompt. This is where you tell Gemini what kind of mock-up scenes that you want. For example, I will make a prompt like this, just like this. A prompt for painting mock-ups like this. Just feel free to adjust or make your prompt. You can write any prompt depending on your product, and the key is to describe the settings, the lighting, the angle, mood, and what you want to highlight. And once your prompt is ready, just hit on generate. Okay, like this. In just a few moments, Gemini will create your mockup instantly like this. You will see the product blend into the environment naturally like this, with realistic lighting and then shadows. And then next, if it's not perfect, you can simply tweak your prompt and regenerate until you get the perfect result. And okay, that's it. Creating mockups has never been this easy. But whether you're selling art or maybe print on demand products or digital goods, Gemini Nano Banana will help you to create high quality visual in seconds. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.